How to change language on Rakuten Viki app. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change language on Rakuten Viki app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Rakuten application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in by using your login credentials. Once you are signed in, tap on the Me option on the bottom right toolbar of your screen and further tap on the three dots you see on the top right of your screen. Under the Account tab, you will see the option for Preferred Language. Tap on that and you will then be shown with a bunch of languages option. Go ahead and select your preferred language, and this is how you can change language on Rakuten Viki app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.